It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, to unlock the magic of identifying the slope and y-intercept in linear equations written in slope-intercept form. Let's start by looking at our equation. Y equals mx plus b. In this equation, you have a slope, which is represented by the variable m, and you have the y-intercept, represented by the variable b. So this equation is called slope-intercept form because it contains the slope and the intercept, but just remember, it's not just any intercept, it is the y-intercept. Let's identify the slope and the y-intercept. So our first sample equation is y equals 2x plus 5. Remember, we're going to start by finding the slope, and the slope is the number multiplied by the variable x. In this case, that number is 2. So our slope is 2. Our y-intercept is the constant. In this case, it's 5. We write y-intercepts as coordinate pairs. Y-intercepts happen when x takes on the value of 0. So we write our y-intercept as 0, 5. Let's try one more example. Y equals 10 minus 1/3 x. This equation looks a little different than the last one. The constant is the first term, and the term containing x is the second term. All right, the slope in this case is negative 1/3. Remember, the slope is always multiplied by the variable x. Be careful here. Don't drop the negative sign if there's a negative in front of the number. Our y-intercept is 10. Do you remember how to write that as a coordinate pair? If you said 0, 10, you are correct. Thanks for taking the time to unlock the magic of identifying the slope and y-intercept with me. Till next time.